going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake. I'm just going to be doing some bass fishing and see if I can catch any fish. It is currently drizzling right now, so I hope the rain doesn't get harder. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's drizzling right there. I don't know, this can be pretty good for topwater, for just fishing in general, but we'll see, guys. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. Alright, everybody, so today I have decided to cross the lake. It's a little sketch. I mean, it's not sketch right now. I can get to the spot, but if it gets windier on the way back, it might be pretty sketchy. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it to the spot. I have been wanting to go to this spot for a while now, but I just haven't found the right time to do it. And today was relatively calm, but as you can see, I'm still out on the middle of the lake and it's still pretty wavy here. If it gets pretty windy later on in the day, I'm probably gonna have to go back, but I'm gonna be fishing this island today that I've always wanted to fish. I mean, I've seen it a few times ever since the water went down. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. Hopefully I don't get caught in some wind, but the good thing is on the way back the wind is going to be with me, not against me. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it to the island. Hopefully I make it there and see if we can land any fish, guys. All right, guys, so I basically made it to the spot. I'm just draining my kayak right now because it got filled with a ton of water from these waves. As you can tell, I am in the middle of the lake. I am stranded on an island, basically. This is going to be the challenge for today, to try and catch a fish from this island. Hopefully we can. I don't know if it's possible. I don't know if there's any fish here, but I'll go ahead and give it a shot either way. First, I need to get this water out of my kayak. Once I do that, I'll get to fishing, guys. All right, guys, so I'm basically going to make my way around this island, basically explore it. It's a pretty big island. See if I can catch some fish out of it. This is pretty shallow water. I don't know how deep they are or where they are at. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. See if I can land a bass, guys. That is going to be the challenge, like I said. Land a bass from this island. See if we can catch one, guys. I've never fished here, so I don't know if there's any bass here, but I'll give it a shot either way. There's a lot of grass here around this area. And then if this doesn't work out, I'll go ahead and hop on my kayak and fish the coast to my right. So I'll go ahead and try that out if this doesn't work out. But I want to try this out first, see if I can catch any fish. Hopefully we land a big one, guys. There's a lot of grass right here in this area. This is a nice, big, shallow area. Cast right there. See if I can get any fish to come out. I didn't exactly cast right next to it, but I'll try right here in a minute. This is a pretty good spot. They've been in this stuff lately, in this type of grass. A bite. No fish on. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. No way. And it's a decent one. What is that, a smallmouth? No way. First fish of the day. I knew that once I got into this grass, they would be in it. Not a bad fish, guys. I'm gonna let this fish go. He bit very weird. I didn't even know if I hit a fish on. Not a bad fish though. For a smallmouth, pretty good. There he goes, back in the water. Not a bad fish, guys. First fish of the day. I knew once I got to this grass, they would be in it. It's a good sign, guys. Keep fishing, make my way around this island, see if I can catch another one. All right, guys, I've made it to the first spot of the day. I'm finally out of the wind, out of the waves. I don't have to cross the lake anymore. I made it back safe and sound. It was a little rough, but it wasn't too bad. I mean, I could handle it. So I'm gonna fish this spot, see if I can catch any fish. Time check is currently 8:40. A lot of time has passed by. Hopefully I can catch another fish, guys. Land one more. That is going to be the goal. Not too sure if I will. Hopefully I can run into some bites. Lately it's been rough around these areas, so we'll see if we can land one more, guys. Here we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Not a giant one. That was like my third cast in. The hook set was kind of whack too. Buddy, chill. Chill. You're in the net. You're in the net. Wow, he soaked the camera, guys. Chill, 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 chill. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Not a giant one. I'll take it either way. I kind of hooked him on the bottom. She's bleeding a little bit. Go ahead and let this fish go. Not a bad fish, not a giant. Hopefully we can catch a bigger one, but that is a good sign. That was like my second cast in. Not bad, guys. Keep fishing, see if we can catch any more. Just got a bite, guys. Not a giant again. Not too bad, guys. Here he is, buddy. Oh my god, he soaked the camera again. Literally like the same exact size, about 1.5 pounds. I hooked him the same exact way also. Here we go, guys. Second fish of the day, a little bigger, not too much, not bad. I hooked him the same exact way also. Not a bad fish, guys. Go ahead and let this fish go. That's the third fish of the day, and it's been like, I haven't even gotten to the end of this cove. Not bad. I wonder how many we're gonna catch today, guys. I mean, the weather is perfect again. This might be a pretty good day, guys. Keep fishing. There we go, guys. What is that? Fourth fish of the day. This one's fighting weird. It might be a smallmouth or just a little fish. Can't tell. Hey, buddy, chill. Get in the net. Not a bad fish, guys. Another small fish. They're very aggressive today, guys. That's nice. There you go, guys. Fourth fish of the day, smaller than the last one. Very aggressive fish, guys. These fish are so aggressive today. Go ahead and let this little guy go. Not a bad fish. I've caught so many fish today already. Not a bad day after all, guys. Keep fishing. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to land another one. Hopefully we can, guys. We still have a little bit left to fish, so let's get to it. That's another bite. Oh, he came off. Oh no, I still have him on. I guess he was just running towards me. What the heck? Same size again, guys. I'm gonna flip this guy. Not a bad fish. What is up with these fish? They're like super hyper today. Not a bad fish, guys. Probably again the same size, about a pound. It's weird. They're like, I don't know what's going on. Like, usually I catch fish like different sizes, like here and there. This is weird. All right, go ahead and let this fish go. Not a bad fish. There he goes. See if we can catch another one, guys. Fifth fish of the day. Not bad. It's a decent one, guys. Not bad. What is this? Sixth fish of the day. Can't talk. Probably the same one. The same exact size, I swear. Just a little bigger. Not bad. Probably about a 2-pounder, guys. Biggest one of the day. Not a bad fish. Go ahead and get this fish out of the net. Sixth fish of the day. Biggest one of the day. Probably close to a 2-pounder. Not bad. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. See if we can catch another one, guys. I doubt it, but I'm still gonna try. All right, everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 6 fish in total. That is a pretty good day, guys. Not bad, not bad. I am surprised I caught 6 fish in total. I filmed the video yesterday and I only caught 2 and I lost about 4, which was crazy. That today's a different story. Not a bad day, guys. Caught them on the Cinco. Pretty good, guys. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.